Hello, hello everyone. Today, hello. Today we are going to explain about today we are going to explain about trigonometry. Here you can see we are explaining trigonometry. First of all, we will deal with suppose we have taken a triangle. Now we are taking a triangle. We are taking a triangle, right angle triangle. Hello. We are taking a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Suppose you have taken a right angle triangle. That is like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. The BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and AB is perpendicular. Now we will find the value of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Cos theta and number 3 is tan theta. We will find the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now I will find the definition of sin theta. We know that sin theta is equal to Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, right? Now we will find what is the value of sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, and sin 90 degree. First of all, sin 0. Okay. The value of sin 0 we will find in this way, that is root over 0 by 4. And this is 30 degrees, root over 1 by 4. And this 45 degrees, root over 2 by 4. And 60 degrees, root over 3 by 4. And 90 degrees, root over 4 by 4. Now you got the value, that is 0 by 4, that is 0, and sin 30 is 1 by 2, and sin 45 is 1 by root 2, and sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. If we reverse the order, that cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, and 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is half, cos 90 0. And we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? Therefore, we get the value of tan theta also, that is tan 0 sin 0 by cos 0, that is 0 by 1, that comes to 0. And this one, that is tan 30 degree, 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and tan 45 is equal to 1. And tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, that it is equal to root 3, and tan 90 is 1 by 0, that is infinity, or you can say it is indeterminate, right? These are the various things we will find, the value of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, right? And we know that sin theta is equal to sin theta equal to 1 by 1 by cosec theta, and cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. We all know this, that sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. In this way, we can find the various values of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Now, we want to find the various values of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. For that, we will remember these values. That is sin 0 0, sin 30 half, sin 45 1 by root 2, Sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91 cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, and cos 90 0. And tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, and tan 90 infinity. In this way, we can find all the values, right? Now we find how to find the different values of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, right? Now, first of all, we are clearing all the drawings, and now we find how to find the different values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. For that, we have a quadrant, and in this quadrant, we know that this is all in positive in first quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In trigonometry, we'll get all the values from 0 to 90, 0 to 90 degree. All the values will be positive. And from 90 to 180 degree, the value will be, the value of sin theta is positive. All sin, and from 180 to 270 degree, all sin, this is tan theta, that is tan theta is positive. And from 270 to 360 degree, the value of cos theta will be positive and others will be negative. Now we'll find first the value of sin theta, right? First we know that sin 0 degree, sin 0 is 0, sin 30, sin 30 is half, sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is equal to 1. Now we'll find all the values of sin, right? Suppose we want to find sin 90 or sin 120 degree. Suppose I want to find sin 120 degree. 120 degree. We can write here as sin 90 degree plus 30 degree. That is sin 120. Now here you see the sin 90 plus 30 is the second quadrant, and sin 90 into 1. You can write 90 as 90 into 1, and 1 is odd number. We have to find which one is odd and even. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Right. We will find the value of sin 90 plus 30 degree. You see the 90 is multiplied by 1, that is odd number. And if it is odd number, it will change to cos theta, that is cos of 30 degree. And you see here, the 90 plus 30 is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant, the value of sin theta will be positive, therefore it will be plus. Right? The value is plus. And what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, the value of sine 120 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now we will find sine 180 degree. We can write here as sine 1 into 90 plus 90. Here you see there is an odd number, therefore sine will be changed into cos 90 degree, right? And sine 90 plus 90, 180. That is, it is in the second quadrant. And sine theta is positive in the second quadrant. Positive, right? Positive. And the value of cos 90 is 0. Therefore, the sine 180 is equal to 0. Right? I will find sine 270 degree. Sine 270 degree. It can be written as sine 2 into 90 plus 90. Now you see here, this is even number. The value is same, that is sine theta, sine 90 degree. And this is which quadrant? This is third quadrant. Third quadrant is negative, therefore it will be minus, and the value of sine 90 is 1, therefore it is minus 1. Right? And find the value of sine 360 degree. Sine 360 degree. I will find here sine 90 into 3 plus 90 degree. Now here 3 is odd number, so it will be cos 90 degree, and it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the sign is negative, therefore it is minus cos 90, minus, and cos 90 is 0, therefore it will be 0. Sin 360 is equal to 0. In this way, we can find all the values. Now you see, we find all the values. Sin 120, in this way, you can find all the values. Thank you.